Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you my Target haul, and any day that I get to go to Target is a very special day for me because we don't have Targets in Canada anymore. We did at one point, but I'm not even going to get into it. I'm still a little bit bitter about it, and I'm sure many other people are. So we're just going to go right past that, and I'm going to let you know that last week I was in the States. Andy and I took a trip to Target. I bought a bunch of goods, and I thought that I would sit down and show you an old school Target haul. It's like how we did back in the day. I'm going to start off with this phone case that I picked up because I've been waiting almost a week to do this because look at my old phone case. I don't even know what happened here. It had this really beautiful print on it at one time. It's from the brand Sonics, I believe that's what it's called, and I'm pretty sure I paid like 30, maybe 40 bucks for it. It was beautiful, but it all rubbed off and now it just looks ugly. So when I was at Target, I saw this phone case that cost $10.50. They're normally only $15, but I got it on sale because they repackaged it. It's from the brand Heyday. I think this is a Target brand, and it's for my 8 Plus phone, and it's just clear because honestly that's all I wanted right now. I just want to go back to having a simple phone case so that you can actually see the color of my phone through it. Oh, that's so nice. The simple things. And I got a new pop socket. So this is from here in Vancouver, from Indigo, and I also got this on sale. It was $10. These I think are usually about $15, but I'm sure a lot of you guys know what pop sockets are, but maybe if you don't, get rid of the package and it sticks onto the back of your phone and it makes holding it up a lot easier. Maybe you have a heavy phone like I do. This 8 Plus is like a killer on my pinky finger. That sounds ridiculous even saying out loud because first world problems, but it's a really heavy phone. So this just makes it a little bit easier to hold in your hand. Also, it's great for taking photos or being on Instagram stories. Yeah, you guys get the picture. Let's talk a little bit of beauty. Lately, I've been trying to buy more clean ingredient products. So I just want to make it really clear. I know that with my job and being a makeup lover, it's not possible for all of my products to be clean because I have my favorites, but I figured that I would at least try some new products that have less of the harsh ingredients that they say it's best not to use, and just check out some new lines. Honest Beauty being one of them, and we don't have this in Canada. So when I was at Target, I saw their display for it and I just was really interested in it, and I decided to pick up a few products. First, I got the Magic Gel to Milk Cleanser. I haven't had a chance to use any of these products out because I wanted to do this haul first, but I thought that the packaging was really nice. Here's hoping it's going to be equally as amazing performance-wise as it is to look at. So I got that. I also picked up the Invisible Blurring Loose Powder. So in so many powders that you use, I'm sure that if you look at the ingredients, the first one that you'll see is talc. This doesn't have talc in it, and they say that that is very dangerous to use. There's tons of studies. At this point, you don't know what to believe and what not to, but I thought, hey, I'm gonna try a loose powder without the talc. So I thought that I would give this one a try. Oh, OMG. Oh, that smells different. Okay, well, I wasn't expecting that. A little bit fell out because there's no peel back. So it looks like this, and then underneath you have all the loose powder. The lights are really strong, so I am really excited to use this. Let me just take what fell onto my foot down here and rub that on. Oh. I've been using, this is so funny, I've been using more glowy foundations, so my skin is naturally more shiny to look at, and that did a really nice job at mattifying. And then the last product I picked up from Honest Beauty, actually that's not true, I have one more Honest product to show you. So I picked up the Extreme Length Mascara and Lash Primer, and it's interesting because I was watching videos of Jessica Alba talk about her brand. She said that if you're going to start with anything from Honest Beauty as like an introduction to the brand, pick up the mascara, so that's what I did. I haven't used a mascara primer in ages, and I'm really hoping that it's going to be good because I'm a little bit fussy, as I think we all are with our mascaras, so fingers crossed that is really good. And then she also said that if you're gonna choose anything to try, to start with her Honest Company. So they do laundry detergents, household cleaning products, baby products. She said start with the wipes. I didn't get the wipes, that's on my to get list, but I got a body lotion. I just wanted to get one for summer, and this smelled really nice. Smells like lavender, but it's not like overwhelming just lavender. There's definitely other stuff in here, and it smells really good. I used it last night, and it's really light. It's not thick, so you're not gonna feel like greased up for bed. So that's like my little introduction to Honest Beauty and Honest Company. If you've tried anything from the brand, please let me know what's worth picking up, because I want to check out more. Sticking with clean ingredients, I also picked up a new bar soap for my shower, and I got the Tom's Lavender and Shea, so it has raw shea butter in it. I just thought, why not? Let me try it. No artificial fragrance, no parabens, no animal testing, which I think is great. And I've heard about the Tom's brand forever, and I've tried one product. It was a natural deodorant. This was probably 10 years ago when I first started realizing that antiperspirants were bad for you, but let me tell you, I didn't have a good experience, so maybe that's why I haven't used anything natural, but it's a bar soap, you can't really go wrong. And then I also picked up a body wash from Native. I think this is also a brand exclusive to Target. Smells like cucumber and mint. And I think it's really cool that on the back it lists all the ingredients and tells you exactly what they are. So it kind of dumbs it down for you. Because I know now that I'm like trying to get into ingredients and understanding what they are, I'm confused 24/7. So if somebody can break that down for me, that would be great. I also picked up some cleaning products. So again, none of those crazy ingredients in here. I started with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface concentrate. I figured that if this is gonna work, it'll be cool to replace the current Mr. Clean that I'm using to mop my floors with and use this. So we actually used it yesterday. Smells really nice. It's nice for summer because it's light, it has a floral scent, and it just smells clean. And then I also got the Everspring. I think this is also a brand exclusive to Target, correct me if I'm wrong, but I got the all-purpose cleaner. It's Mandarin and ginger scented. Figured that I would just use this on my countertops to disinfect, clean. It says it cuts grease and grime. You could do the same thing with the Mrs. Meyer's, maybe not so much of a floral scent if you're in the kitchen, but this is a concentrate, so you'd have to dilute it. So I figured I'd just pick up this product. It was only like $3 too, really affordable. Okay, I think that's it for cleaning. I'm gonna be a perfect little clean housewife now. Let me just show you something I got clothing wise. So this I've literally been living in since I got it, which has only been what, a week now. I've washed it twice. It's the most comfortable sweatshirt. It's a sweatshirt tank, I guess you could call it. It's fleece, but it is so comfortable. It keeps me cool in the day because it's like 100 degrees in my place because it's all windows in here, and I'm cool and comfortable and breezy in this. And to me in the summer, that's all that matters, if I'm comfortable. It has this cutout here too, which I think is cute, so can show off, maybe you have like a nice pair of exercise pants on, or like yoga pants, or even your jeans, it shows that. And then it also has the big underarm, so if you wear like a cute bralette, it'll show, or even just your bra. It's cute. And this was only $20. I feel like everybody else had this book except for me, so I wanted to finally pick it up. It's the Homebody book by Joanna Gaines, and I'm hoping this is going to get my butt into gear so I can finish up decorating all of the spots in my place that are currently not. First of all, the book is ridiculously beautiful to look at. Like, it feels like Pinterest in a book, and this just reminds me too, I need to finish my entryway, and this is kind of the vibe that I'm going for. I'm very visual. I have to see it. I can't tell you the amount of times that I walk into my home sense here in Vancouver and I go in thinking, today's the day, I'm just gonna pick this, this, and this, and I'm gonna bring it home. It never happens. So I'm just hoping that this is like, I need a desk like this, I need a planter like this, I need a photo like this, and then just bring it home. But what's cool about this book is that it does breakdowns per room. So right here you have bedrooms. You got some inspo photos. Oh, so nice. And then there's actually a page on what to consider for your bedroom. I just think that's really cool because it's like a checklist that you can use to finish your room completely, which is what I so desperately need to do. What I've noticed about her decorating is it's very rustic, or at least in this book anyways. But what's cool about it is you can take certain elements, so maybe if you have more modern decorating, you can take certain elements from it and use it to inspire you to find the right things for your place. And now that we're talking about decorating, I'm gonna take you into our bedroom for the last bit of this video, and I'm gonna show you what I got for decor. These are the new throw pillows I picked up for the bed, and I think these are so much better than the last ones I had because the colors are just so much better. They make me feel, my mom actually used the word and I was like, that's exactly it. She says they're very calm, the colors are neutral. Only question about them is, should I keep these two the same? I personally like the symmetry, that's why I got two of the same, but I know that in books like I just showed you, they'll all be different, so that one will be switched out for something else, like maybe, you know, a different color even. Then in the back, I've decided I am gonna do the Euro shams. Target had the most beautiful ones, but then I actually bought them, took them out to the car, and I realized you couldn't unzip so that I could wash the actual pillowcase itself. So I decided to return them, and I think I'm just gonna go to IKEA for those. Now let's go over here so you can meet my ever so beautiful fiddle leaf fig. I bought this probably a month and a half ago, maybe even 2 months. And I've just been looking for the perfect planter, which I feel like I just found. And funny enough, at Target, and I've checked all the high-end stores, but honestly, the color's usually a little bit off or they're really expensive. This was $55. I think they're normally $65. I got it on sale. And this is ceramic. And then the bottom is wood, which I think goes in this room because it's probably the most rustic of all of my rooms. And I'm just kind of figuring out how to care for this fiddle leaf fig, so if you do have any tips, please let me know on this especially. So for these bottom leaves here, should I be trimming those? Because I'd say these are the ones with probably the most damage. These were on it when I bought it, but everything up top looks pretty good, healthy. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up to let me know. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Come back next week for a brand new one, and I will see you all then.